Hello, I'm pleased to introduce you Mr. Oriol Guevara, the director of the Catalan Institute in Vines and Vineyards. Mr. Guevara, could you describe the personality of Catalan wines nowadays?
Yeah, that is a very complex question. Our personality is probably like our geography, very diverse. And that includes places near the sea which have a very particular climate and usually give soft wines, very pleasant, easy drinking wines. And we have also more extreme climates inside the country, inland, that give a strong mouth-filling character to our wines. So we have the whole range, and we have whites, we have sparkling wines, we have all range, and that is because of that diversity. We have 11 appellations of origin plus the sparkling that we call cava.
Yes, and which regions and also wine styles are the most successful in the USA?
That is probably, the US is probably showing that the most successful wines from Catalunya are in the style of Priorat, that is red, big reds. But I wouldn't say it's most successful. It's the wine that is mostly known in the US today. So, and that is because of the prescriptors that have been able to taste those wines and appreciate them and recognize them, I admit. But some other styles would be as successful as those if they had entered the U.S. market. Actually, many of them are making very big efforts to enter the U.S. market, and we are getting there.
What are the tendencies in wines in Catalonia?
The tendencies is to show off that range of wines, that range of styles. The tendency is not to make only or focus in those big reds that show really the big potential of our inland vineyards, and the tendency is to open the wide range of more softer styles of wines. That is the tendency, and the tendency is to make more wines that are really good for the value at a lower price than those very big world-renowned appreciated reds.
In your opinion, which are the future challenges for Catalan wines?
The challenge is to show that we can make those all that range of wines in the same quality standards for every segment. We have shown that we can make excellent, big, ultra, super premium reds, but we can also make excellent whites to drink anytime during the day, and excellent reds to accompany any table, any dish. And actually that is what we aim.
Okay, that's all. Thank you very much, Mr. Guevara.
Thank you.